Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the new Slime Tubeless Bike Sealant and how to install it. We've been making bike sealants at Slime since 1989. One of the things that I really love about our new bike tubeless formula is how long it lasts in your tire. I've personally put thousands of miles across my gravel and mountain bikes without any issues. To get started, we're going to want to grab a couple things. First is going to be our tubeless sealant. Next is going to be some levers, a cloth, and our spray bottle to make sure that we set that bead right. First up, we've got our wheel off the bike and we're going to drop out any of that leftover air. Next up, we're going to break the bead, take this tire off. So with half the tire removed, we're going to use a shop rag and wipe away any of that residual sealant that might be left in your tire. This tire is pretty clean to begin with, and even if you leave a little bit left over in there, that'll be okay because the new Slime Tubeless Sealant is compatible with others. I've got a 29 by 2.6 inch tire, so I'm gonna use about 5 to 6 ounces of sealant. The bottle that we have has little markings on the side of it so you can see how much you've used in there. Now that we have the sealant in the tire, we're gonna put it all back together. And to do that, we're gonna reset the bead first. And as you get to the bottom, you wanna make sure you don't lose any of that sealant. So we're gonna rotate the tire over, and now the sealant's down on this section. Now we can finish up getting the bead on. Now we're ready to air it up. You can use the air source of your choice, but today I'm gonna be using a compressor. The key here is to really make sure that the bead is set into place with a loud pop. Next, we're gonna do a quick inspection to make sure that the tire has fully set into place by looking at the side of the tire and making sure that you can see the line going all the way through. Next up, we'll take our spray bottle and do a quick check to see if there's any bubbling along the rim. If you see anything like that, you'd want to reset the tire and add a little bit more air. Now that we've got the wheel back together, it's time to distribute the sealant and you're good to go. We'll see you on the trail.